how to earn full income on Temu affiliates. Today I'm going to show you how to make a full income from Temu affiliates. So in order to do that, let me tell you what the affiliation means. Affiliation means that you share someone product's links, and when someone buy that product from your link, you get some commission from that sale. So how to do it? Let me tell you first a few things first. You can get up to 20% commission for one order, and you'll also get $5 when someone download the Temu or sign up by using your referral link. So in order to do that, you have to create an account in Temu, which is for free. So if I click on that, get started free, they want me to sign up. But this Temu affiliation program is limited to only USA now. This program has not been published globally. I hope they do this very soon. So until then, we can only wait. We cannot do anything. So you just have to sign up the account, and you will be able to get the links from the products. You just have to share the links of the products, and when you share the link of the product, someone buy the product from those links, you get 20% commission from that sale. So that's easy it is. That's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Hope you find this video helpful.